no. Come see. Santa left you a present in the dining room. What is it?
It's huge.
Come and see. Come on.
Hurry. Rip it open.
Go, rip it open.
It open.
Go help her, Daddy.
Look.
Just pull on it.
Pull it, pull it.
Look.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
It's a trampoline. Get in.
Get in. Look.
Go on in. Oh! Zip it up, zip it up.
Isn't that what you asked Santa for?
Jen, you're right in front of the
I
computer.
gotta get my camera.
Oh. Isn't that what you asked Santa for,
What
eh?
is it?
Zip it up.
It's a cage. It's a cage.
It's a cage.
For the monkeys.
Monkeys don't go into
Silly daddy. For the monkeys.
Just try
You
to
guys see?
zip it up for her, Mandy, while I do this. Okay, now
Jump
jump.
up.
Stay in there now while I get my
Yeah.
Yay!
It's like a giant playpen though. You can lock her in there.
Do you like it, eh?
Going by.
Santa knew what you wanted, eh?
Stand up and jump.
Santa knows everything.
He does. He's awfully small.